Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to clean junk files on your Windows PC to free up storage space and improve overall performance. So let's get started. Step 1. Use Windows Storage Cleanup. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. Now go to System, then select Storage. Here, Windows shows how your storage space is being used. Click on Temporary Files. Select items like Temporary Files, System Cache, and the Recycle Bin. Then click Remove Files. This safely deletes unnecessary junk files. Step 2. Run Disk Cleanup. Next, press Windows plus S and search for Disk Cleanup. Open it, select your C drive, and click OK. Windows will scan your drive. After the scan, check options like Temporary Internet Files, System Temporary Files, and Thumbnails. Then click OK and Delete Files. Step 3. Turn on Storage Sense. Now go back to Settings. System Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. Click on its settings and choose when Windows should automatically delete junk files. This keeps your PC clean automatically. Step 4. Remove unused apps. Unused apps also take up space. Go to Settings, then Apps. Again, click on Installed Apps. Find apps you no longer use, and click Uninstall. Step 5. Empty the recycle bin. Finally, open the recycle bin on your desktop. Right-click and select Empty Recycle Bin. And that's it. Your PC is now cleaner, faster, and has more free storage space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more PC tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.